Hello, welcome back to Apps and Octane. Today we're going to be working on the new project vehicle slash daily driver, and the problem with this one is the lighting. I've already replaced some of the bulbs in the front that were bad, but the fog lights, well, somebody put a higher power bulb in here and it melted the plastic lens. I believe those are the stock lenses, but they're definitely expensive from Mercedes, so I've gone ahead and hopped on the Jungle website and got some fog lights, aftermarket ones that actually come with a glass lens. So I don't know if I'm going to be regretting this if I get a rock hitting it, but let's swap them out and we'll see how they go. They were cheap. So these should be relatively easy to remove. We just need to remove the chrome bezel. This is the AMG model. I believe the non-AMG don't have the chrome bezel. It's a different type of front, but it should be very similar. And you can see somebody's already marred up on mine right here a little bit, but you just need to pop two tabs. So I'm going to insert beside them and just give them a little click. See, that one's popped. There we go. They're just little friction tabs there, times two. It's unfortunate somebody already marred that one up a little bit, but it's alright. And inside the housing, there's 4 Torx screws we gotta remove. So T20 is the size of Torx bit you're going to need. The housing should just pop out, and electrode connector. This has 2 tabs you got to pull to release, and she's out. It's got 2 little pull tabs on it there, and that's what you're going to be left with. To remove the bulb on these, if you need to change the bulb, it's just a quarter turn and then pull. This one's already actually burnt out on mine. And the ones I bought actually came with bulbs. I don't know how long they're going to last, but well, we'll give it a try. And the adjuster on these goes to the bottom. Connector back in, reinstall. So mine were aimed a lot higher. I'm going to just go with the default aiming for now and see how that goes. Not sure how right or wrong that's going to be, but we'll find out. Maybe I'll drive it without the bezel on for now so we can test this out for the aiming. If you do have to aim it, it's just going to be a Phillips bit there in the bottom. And obviously when you crank it, it adjusts the angle of the lens. Okay, after you've tested them, you just got to pop the bezels back on. I just noticed there's actually a cutout for the alignment adjustment, so you don't have to take these off to align them. There's a hole for the screwdriver to go into. There we go. Much improvement. So there we go. All that's left to do is try it out tonight when it gets dark, see how the alignment is. Possibly make an adjustment, but yeah, I think this pair was about 90 bucks for the pair with the bulbs included, so pretty good price. That's Canadian dollars. I found them on Amazon, so try them out, see how they work. Worst case, the bulbs have to be replaced, but that's a normal thing anyways. So yeah, again, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a really great day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.